Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Marche. Today we're going to be doing another self-care Sunday video. Today I'm going to be reviewing a foot cream. This is the Heel Genius Amazing foot cream from Soap&Glory, which is used to make your feet beautiful. You don't want to have nasty, weird, scratchy, rough, scary feet. You want to have beautiful, cute feet. There's nothing like somebody telling you that you have cute feet, and this product is gonna help you get there. So I purchased this product from Target. Of course, I get a lot of my products from Target. It was about $10. In the body care section, there's a whole Soap and Glory section, at least in my Target. So it's in that section. The reason I purchased this product is because I wanted something for my feet to keep them very moisturized, especially when the winter months come around. You want to make sure that you're keeping your feet hydrated. You know, even though you're gonna have boots on or closed-toe shoes on, when you get home and there are people around, significant other people, you do not want to scratch up and scale up other people with your feet. You want your feet to be soft and smooth and beautiful like everything else. You don't want your feet to be scratchy like, you know, tree monster feet. That's not cute. So make sure that you take care of your feet. So how I use this product is I typically will put it on after I take a shower. The best, most bougie pamper way to put it on, if you have the little footies that you can heat up, you can use that, which will help the ingredients penetrate your foot even more. That will, you know, add to beautiful feet. Or you could just apply daily and make sure that you're, you know, really covering your feet and getting them to be nice and soft and silky and sexy like we want them to be. So I do like this product. You don't have to use a whole lot unless you have big feet, but it spreads pretty easily. It's a very light scent, not anything too heavy, and it works for me. So there you have it, my review of the Soap&Glory Heel Genius. I definitely would recommend this product if you want to step up your game. You don't want to just use regular lotion. You want to use something a little bit more penetrating, especially made for your feet. I definitely would recommend this product. And if you've never had a foot cream ever, I definitely recommend trying it. It's less than $10, so you can try it out and see if you like it. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me some feedback if you tried it out and you liked it, or if you tried it out and you didn't really see the hype. Either way. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. Until next time, you're welcome.